All right, so today we're going to be talking about 525th Avenue. So this is going to be the next Supertall in New York City. And I actually quite like this one a lot. I think it has a pretty interesting design, pretty unique, and I think it looks pretty good. This is currently under construction. It started construction in 2022. It is about, I'd maybe say halfway up. I don't want to, show any progress photos because I don't want to like copyright anyone's photography or anything like that. But you can see some renders here, which I will show. But this is about halfway up in height currently. It's expected to finish next year. This is going to be a 1,001 foot, 305 meter skyscraper. So it's just barely breaking that super tall status, which is 300 meters. And it is barely, by literally 1 foot, breaking the 1,000 foot barrier. It's going to be 76 floors. It's mixed use. A lot of this is going to be residential, high-end luxury condos like a lot of these buildings are. And looking through some of the renders here, you can see, obviously it's residential. The location on this, I think, is pretty cool. It is relatively close to the Empire State Building, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you can see this kind of style here of it is a little interesting. It's kind of got arched, windows, lots of kind of setbacks and different, shapes to it and stuff there, which I think is always nice, compared to just this straight straight block building sort of thing. There's kind of a shot there, that kind of famous photo of the Empire State Building, kind of with this in it here. And as you can see, it's pretty tall. Honestly, if you like just took this and didn't have anything around it, it doesn't look like it'd be a super tall building. But this is actually a very tall building. 1,001 feet is extremely tall. It's not going to be taller than the Empire State Building or like 270 Park Avenue, but it's, not that far behind. It is a super tall, which is pretty, nice addition to the Skyline. And I'm really a fan kind of this design and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is, I really think, to talk about with 520 Park Avenue here. I think it's going to be a pretty neat building. Again, supposed to finish construction next year. And yeah, I do have a lot of other buildings I kind of want to talk about in New York City because there's a lot going on there. Obviously, I talked about 270 Park Avenue, which is, looking amazing. If you've seen that, pretty much done with the facade now. I think that is an incredible looking building. It's massive as well. But there's a lot of other stuff getting built and proposed right now in New York that I'm probably going to cover. I might even make a video with like the next 5 tallest buildings or something in New York because I might want to like add them all together or something like that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.